Here in the front garden, a lot of the stuff is also edible. While the bougainvillea isn't, we've got a equally spiky finger lime. Some there that'll fruit, little fruits, you can squeeze those out. We have the edible curry leaf. You can take a few leaves, put them into your curry, and they're very, very fragrant, very flavorful. Some little flowers here, don't need those. Macadamia, someday that's going to be nice and strong, and it's currently being grafted. It will be a while before that one fruits. We've got some tomato tomatoes popping up there, and this is a tamarillo, and this is a fruit which is like a cross between, well, it's in the tomato family, but it ends up tasting very much like a passion fruit. Interesting on that. This is a tomato tomato that's coming up. We've got those in the backyard and also here, so enjoy that while it lasts. And now we have the sweet grenadina. It's a wonderful fruit, native to South America. It's just like a passion fruit, only it's got a instead of a yellow flesh, it has a clear white flesh. And we have a baby bay leaf tree, so that's add that to your bolognese and things like that. We've got this lettuce coming up here. Once these go to flower, they're probably going to fall down. Those seeds are going to come up, and they're great. We've just got some flowers around here, but we've got a Meyer lemon there. It's getting along. And this is a sweet lime. And we have rosemary. Put that in your recipes, and I think that's a coriander popping up. We've got some more dragon fruit there. Enjoy that one when it comes up. And this is a Barbados cherry, otherwise known as an acerola cherry. The fruit is very high in vitamin C and quite delicious. So look forward to that one flowering and fruiting. These cordylines here, don't eat anything associated with those. Just once they get about here, just give them a brutal hack back about there, and they'll spring back up and they'll look much better for it. Hack and come back. So we've got lily pillies at the front. These are Aussie Boomer lily pillies. That's anyway, that's another lily pilly. So you can eat these at the front here. And got some ginger under the ground that might pop up. We've also got some rosella plants. The seeds come back each year and the plants come up. So in summer they'll start coming up. They've got 3 leaves. This is a rose. We haven't seen this rose yet. We're keen to find out what colour of flower that has. This is a wax jambu. It's in the same family as the lily pilly. It's a crunchy fruit. It's about the colour of a Baby Bell cheese, and it's about the shape of a small pear. Shape and size of a small pear. It's going to fruit in summer over Christmas, so it's going to look like a Christmas ornament. Beautiful. Here's some more tomato tomatoes. We just let them go, and look at all this bounty of fruit. And again, lily pillies and cordylines. So we've got this passion fruit here. This one can be ripe while being yellow on the outside of the skin. See, it's the fruit. These fruit are ripe when they're purplish, but really they are ripe when they fall. So just keep an eye out and pick them up when they fall. These plants are great in summer. They cut the sun, but when winter rolls around, it's going to die back, and it's just going to be this trellis. Now, this trellis from this structure here is solid all the way through there, but these here are zip tied on, so if they're standing up there and they need to be removed, they can be removed and then put back on. And yes, please do not climb on this. This is not structural. It's loose and someone might injure themselves. You see the plant growing towards here, just cut that back. And yes, this lily pilly, the hedges you see everywhere, it's got fruit on it, and here we go. This is a fruit from the lily pilly, and it's got delicious and fragrant, crunchy fruit. Enjoy.